This roadmap simplifies the steps to homeschooling with auto upkeep. Students that complete the curriculum learn about maintenance, auto ownership, and how cars work. Students start by reading one of the 20 chapters. Chapters are written using short paragraphs and contain over 700 illustrations, making them easy to follow. Students can watch videos organized to support each chapter's content. There are over 100 videos that can be viewed on any device. Videos help visual learners. Each chapter in the workbook has 10 study questions. The study questions extend learning and provide a chapter review. Students can complete activities in the workbook. There are 40 activities to choose. Some activities are hands-on, others are internet-based. Procedures are provided step by step. Test questions are included on the instructor USB as selected response, ASE style, and constructed response. At the end of each day, students write in the daily log. They should reflect on what they learned in 3 to 5 sentences. Visit homeschool.autoupkeep.com to learn more. Also follow Auto Upkeep on Facebook for updates and tips. Auto Upkeep has already been used to teach over 100,000 students about maintenance, light repair, auto ownership, and how cars work. Our family wants to make sure you are 100% satisfied. If not, let us know and we'll make it right. You may return Auto Upkeep for a full refund within 60 days.